Greetings to all my 7th standard cuties. In this video, we are going to see the Bridge Course module. In the first topic, the Jungle Book is given to us a first topic. Let us see the topic. Before we see the topic, I am going to ask some questions to you. Have you ever visited the zoo? I hope most of you visited the zoo nearby you. What animals we can see there? We can see zebra, then giraffe, then monkey, then crocodile. We can see all these types of animals in the zoo. Have you watched what things do that animals like to eat? They like to eat grass. Some of the animals like to eat grass. Some of them like to eat flesh of other animals or insects like that. No? Okay. Look at this picture. A family is there. A small girl and a small boy is also there. They are collecting the coins and put it in the box. They are saving the money for their family. Isn't it? Okay. Now I am going to ask questions to you. Do you know where does the family live? Most of the family lives in town or village. Okay, this family may be living in village or town. Okay, can they live in the forest? No, they can't live in the forest. So they may be living in town or village. Okay, and another one question. What types of food they like to eat? Most of the foods they like to eat. We thought they like to eat rice, idli and rava. Like these types of food items they like to eat. Here we can see two children. They are living with their parent. Okay. Now I am going to ask some questions to you. What is the young one of an elephant? Do you know what is the young one of an elephant? Calf. We are calling it calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. The same way, the cow's young one also is called calf. Then cat's young one is kitten. Okay, the cat's young one is kitten. And then dog's young one is called puppy. We call the dog's young one puppy. Okay, and then chick's young one is called chicken. Okay, okay. Rabbit's young one is called bunny. Do you know where does the rabbit live? It is living in the burrow. Okay, burrow is like a bushes near the trees or the plants. Okay, yeah, most of the time we can see the rabbits near the bushes in the burrow. Okay. Now let us see the topic, the Jungle Book. The Jungle Book was written by Rudyard Kipling. Who is the author of the book? The Jungle Book? Rudyard Kipling. Who was the author of this book? Okay. This book has attracted audience of all ages for its plot, structure and characters. Okay. Children especially enjoy this story as it deals with the early childhood of a boy in the midst of wild animals in the forest. Okay, before we going to enter into the story, let us see the characters of this lesson one by one. Okay, here you see a picture. Can you see a boy in this picture? This boy name is Mowgli. Okay, this boy name is Mowgli. He is also called Little Frog. Okay, how does he is called? He is called Little Frog. He is a man's cub. Here you see the word cub. Cub means young one. Okay. He is man's cub. Okay. And then father wolf and mother wolf. Okay. Next one, Sher Khan, the tiger, and also this tiger is called Lungri. Okay. This one is nickname is Lungri. Lungri means the lame one. Okay. It has a lame foot. Lame foot means it couldn't walk in a straight way. It has some problem in its leg. So this is called Lungri by its own mother. And then Tabaki. Tabaki is the jackal. It is the spy of Sher Khan. It is also friend of Sher Khan, and it is also a spy for Sher Khan. Okay. Next one. This one is Bahira. This is Mowgli's friend. Already we saw a boy in a previous slide. No, that boy name is Mowgli. This Bahira is Mowgli's friend and also a mentor. Okay. Now let us see the story. Already we heard the story in 6th standard also. Let us recall the story. This scene opens in the Sion Hills. In the evening time, the father wolf and mother wolf and the little cubs also there. At the time, the jackal Tabaki came there, and the jackal prizing the wolf for the bones of the meal, but the father wolf neglected his speech. Then the Tabaki introduced about the Sher Khan, who was the tiger who lived near the Vaiganga river. It is 20 miles away from Sion Hills. Now the father wolf was very angry, and also he was shouting at the Tabaki because the Sher Khan, he was frightened everybody. So the wolf, father wolf and mother wolf did not like to visit the visits of Sher Khan. Okay. Now the mother wolf told to Tabaki, the Sher Khan is also called Lungri. Lungri means the lame one. He has been lame in one foot from his birth. So that is why he has only killed cattle. Cattle means cows and goats. Now the villagers of the Vaiganga are very angry with him, and he has come there, where in Sion Hills, to make the villagers angry. They will scour the jungle for him when he is far away, and the father wolf and mother wolf and the children must run when the grass is set on fire. Okay. The father wolf, hearing the howling sound of the tiger, that time they can feel something is coming uphill. They saw a man's cub, a small baby, come towards them. At that time, the mother's wolf said, "Is that a man's cub?" I have never seen one. Bring it here. Then the mother wolf said, this is a man's cub. The mother wolf picked up the child very carefully. At that time, Sher Khan and Topic came there. They were arguing with mother wolf and father wolf. They are trying to pick up the baby with them, but mother wolf did not ready to give the baby to them. So at that moment she is telling, and it is I Raksha. Here the word Raksha refers the mother wolf, the demon, who answers, the man's cup is mine. The Raksha is saying, the man's cup is mine. He shall live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack, and in the end he shall hunt you. Here the mother wolf warning the tiger Sher Khan. How does it warning? It is telling, the mother wolf is telling, I am Raksha, the demon. The man's cup is mine. He shall live to run. He means the baby, the man's cup. Man's cup shall live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack, and in the end it will definitely hunt Sher Khan. Okay. And then Sher Khan tried to get the baby from mother wolf and father wolf. Now mother wolf was very angry and he is not ready to give the baby to Sher Khan. Then Sher Khan went away from there. Mother wolf gave a name for that baby, Little Frog. Okay. Here Mowgli, a little frog. This name is given by mother wolf to that small baby. Okay. The story does not end here. It continues with many more episodes, such as the acceptance of Mowgli by the pack of wolves. Here, friendship between Bagheera and Mowgli. Mowgli's adventurous trips in the jungle with the Balu. Balu means the bear. The fight between Mowgli and the monkeys gang, etc. Eventually, Mowgli is forced to leave the jungle and he goes to live in the village. Later, he decides to return to the jungle and he lives there. Okay, that's all story about this Jungle Book. Here we have some questions. In the worksheet 1, identify the character from the play The Jungle Book and tell the name of the character. Here the teacher reads and the students listen and identify the character. Here I am going to read the passage. You listen the sentences and try to give the answers yourself. He is violent and intensely predatory, disrespectful to the law of the jungle, the main villain in the story, and the arch-rival of Mowgli. He is nicknamed as Lungri by his own mother. Okay, who is Lungri? Yes, Sher Khan is the Lungri. Okay, can you identify the character? Sher Khan. Sher Khan is the correct answer. Sher Khan. Sher Khan is the correct answer for this question. He always feeds on crumbs from either Sher Khan or the wolves of the Sion pack. He is the only friend of Sher Khan. He acts as a spy and the messenger to Sher Khan. Who is the spy in this topic? Yes, Topic is the spy. So answer is tabaki. Tabaqui. Tabaki, the jackal. Third question. She is very protective of the man's cub and raises him as her own. She is always ready to die in order to protect him. She is strong and brave, but when angered, she becomes the fiercest of wolf in the pack. Here, who is very protective of the man cub? Mother wolf. So answer is mother wolf. Fourth question. He is taken away by a tiger from his village to the jungle. But fortunately, he escapes and runs into a cave where a wolf family live. Mother wolf names him Mowgli, the little frog. He is the main character in the story. Who is the main character in this story? Yes, Mowgli. Mowgli, the little frog. Okay, Mowgli, the little frog. Okay. Who is the main villain? Sher Khan is the main villain of this book. He is one of Mowgli's main teachers, protects and guides Mowgli in all ways till the end of the story. He loves Mowgli a lot and the two spend much time together loitering in the jungle. Bahira. Bahira is the answer of this question. Bahira. Bagheera. Bahira. Okay. Next. Write who said these words. The teacher reads and the students listen and find out by whom these words were said. For a wolf it may not be enough, but for so mean a person as myself, a dry bone is good feast. Here the jackal tells to Father Wolf, the dry bone is a good feast to me. Who said these words? The jackal tells these words to Father Wolf. The answer is the jackal. Tabaki tells to Father Wolf. Okay. And it is I, Raksha, the demon, who answers, the man's cup is mine. He shall live to run with the pack and to hunt with the pack, and in the end he shall hunt you. Raksha. Who is Raksha here? Yes, the mother wolf is the Raksha. Okay. Mother wolf tells these words to Sher Khan. Okay, next, each dog barks in his own yard. We will see what the pack will say to this fostering of man's cubs. The man cub is mine and will come to me in the end. Okay. Here, Sher Khan, the tiger. The answer is Sher Khan, the tiger. Sher Khan. Is that man's cup? I have never seen one. Bring it here. The mother wolf tells these words to Father Wolf. Okay, is that your man's cup? Is that your man's cup? Who said these words? Mother Wolf. Sher Khan speaks this much truth. The cup must be sewn to the back. Will you still keep him, mother? Here, answer is Father Wolf. Answer, Father Wolf. Okay. Dear students, you try to make a stick puppet in any one of these given animals. Okay. Okay, thank you students. We will meet in another class. Thank you.